Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim for the first time. First, let's talk about character creation. You'll choose from 10 distinct races, each with unique starting skills and powers. For instance, Nords excel in two-handed weapons, while High Elves are adept at magic. Next, select a standing stone. There are 13 available, offering various permanent buffs. Finally, focus your initial skill points on one or two primary combat or magic trees to maximize your early game effectiveness. Once your character is ready, it's time to explore. Start by following the main quest from Helgen to Riverwood and then Whiterun. This path introduces you to key mechanics and unlocks your first dragon shouts. Don't hesitate to pick up side quests in towns. They are excellent for gaining experience and earning gold. Remember to loot every container and fallen enemy, but keep an eye on your carry weight, which typically starts around 300 units. Combat in Skyrim is dynamic. You can wield a sword and shield, cast powerful spells, or snipe enemies with a bow. Practice blocking incoming attacks and using power attacks for extra damage. Remember, your skills improve as you use them. For example, repeatedly casting destruction spells will increase your destruction skill, and hitting enemies with a one-handed weapon will raise your one-handed skill. This organic progression means you truly become what you play. To ensure a smooth first playthrough, always save your game often. Skyrim has an autosave feature, but manual saves are crucial before challenging dungeons or boss fights. Don't feel pressured to stick to one playstyle. Experiment with different weapons and magic. Joining a guild, like the Companions or the College of Winterhold, provides excellent questlines, access to skilled trainers, and unique items, enriching your overall experience significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.